guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ocean eyes video edit on CapCut PC. So select your photo and select a video of like the ocean or whatever you want. I'm just going to select this as mine. Also going to adjust the image. Select the ocean, go to mask and select the circle and kind of like fit it where I'm actually just going to scale it down so that I can get more of it like that, and I'm going to kind of like adjust it. Then I'm going to feather it out a little, go back to basic, go to blend mode and select like a blend mode that suits the video. I guess suits the picture, maybe this hard light one so you can still see the image a little. But it's totally up to you like which one you want to use. I'm just going to maybe use this darkened one actually and leave it, but that is it. Super simple. You can like replace it by like finding something else, maybe fireworks, and adding it and replacing the clip. And as you can see, there's like fireworks in their eyes. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.